Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Justin with Justin Sally Art. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm going to try and do maybe like a double bloom on this 10 by 20 canvas. I'm going to do some rainbow colors and stretch it out a little bit, see what we can make. Let's get it started. This is Glidden Satin Pure White and a base 1. So let's see what we can do with that. I'm going to run you guys through the colors now. So that was primary yellow from Amsterdam. This is Azo Orange from Amsterdam. Let's rotate a little bit. Alright. Then we're going to do magenta. We're going to do violet from Amsterdam. Some primary blue from Amsterdam. And then some phthalo green. And this is where my mind kind of blanked out and I stopped talking. I started to have the idea that I wanted to do a deconstructed bloom instead of just a double bloom. The pillow paint I had laid down had a great flow to it. It was thick, but not too thick, but I could just tell that it was going to stretch out easily. And I decided this might be the best attempt I have for a first deconstructed double bloom. Right here I'm just dipping my finger in and removing the paint that I carelessly spilt on the canvas to try and kind of straighten it back up before I got started. These colors were the rainbow colors that everybody had been asking me about. Mostly Amsterdam paint, but a little bit of LIQUITEX in there as well. Right here I'm laying down 1 part Amsterdam titanium white, 3 parts Australian Floetrol for my cell activator. And I'm going to blow these petals out. They're not going to look great at the beginning. I'm going to do a little work on them, but I was trying to just stretch them as far as I could before I started to work on my deconstruct. So I was really just trying to get some color and coverage. Wasn't really pushing for the best cells because they're going to get distorted anyways. I really wanted some great lacing to stretch out. That's what I think is the most impactful when I look at deconstructed blooms. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music and we'll see you guys in a few. So I wanted to show you some of the real-time stretching, but I'll go ahead and speed it up now because it's quite a bit longer before I get it all stretched out and then spun out at the end. So I'm going to speed it up a tad and I will add some music. I'll see you guys back in a minute. Don't forget, please like, subscribe, share, hit that bell so you can be notified of all my future videos. I appreciate all your guys' support. Well, here it is. This is what we got. I'm super pleased and got a lot of positive feedback from all you guys, so I really appreciate that. Super excited for my first deconstructed bloom. That was the concept tile just when I was coming up with the color patterns, and I also did this large 14 by 14 inch bloom, which I was super thrilled about, and that'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.